Hey everyone, it's Will Bowers with Allison James Estates and Homes. I am at 12705 Dara Drive, Unit T3, and this is in Woodbridge, Virginia. This is a one bedroom, one bathroom condo for sale. Just going to show you around a little bit. So the condo has been fresh paint. You do have new flooring throughout most of the condo. In the bathroom, new vanity, new flooring. You've just gone through. Now we are finishing up, so there's going to be a few things you're seeing, tools, things like that. They'll be taken care of over the next few days. A couple of things too I want to mention with this condo as we're going through the coat closet. You have a lot of room in this closet. And then in here is your HVAC system. Gas, electric, and water. Like I said, this will be just getting a new fixture in there, new switch. And handyman's on his lunch break, so I figured while we got a chance, take a look at this. But anyways, with the condo fee, gas, electric, and water are included. Also, in the kitchen, new countertops, new granite countertops, new stove, new refrigerator, new backsplash. And then here we are in the bedroom. And then also you do have a walk-in closet through here. There's a lot of storage. Also, this unit comes with its own storage space as well. I do want to mention, there is no washer and dryer in unit, but the laundry room is actually next door, and I will show you. So here we are in the bedroom, and you just come through here. And then, now this door takes you to the front of the building. Well, it takes you towards the front. But in your laundry room, 2 washers, 2 dryers. You have access throughout the day. And I'm going to show you the front of the building as we go through the side door. This unit also has something a little unique. You have, like I said, we just came through the front door, but a lot of people use this door as their front door. Show you the living room area. Like I said, we're doing some last minute touch-ups, so just apologize for not being 100% just yet. Also the view. And then here we have our dining room area. Now when it comes to the parking, you do have 2 spots. You can get 2 parking passes. The parking spaces are first come, first serve, as I am struggling to get my shoes on. Also, basic cable is included with the association fee, though with that being said, basic cable, if you do want to get an upgraded package, like say you want HBO or just some of the other cable channels that are not available in basic cable, you can upgrade. You just have to reach out to Xfinity, upgrade through that. There is an upcharge for going with a higher package, but like I said, part of your basic cable package is subsidized. Would be part of the cable is subsidized with the association. So, anyways, here's the front of the building, and then more parking spaces. Now there is a community playground right over there, and over there behind that building is the association pool, so you have access to that throughout the summer as well. If you are interested, just reach out to me. We can set up a tour. If you have an agent as well, just have them reach out to me and we can set up a tour for you. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.